once again. All right, boys, very, very quickly, I can see all of you guys are donning the amazing Full Speed Ahead collection from Pen Shop. Maybe just very quickly, one by one, maybe you can share with us your favorite piece from the collection, from your outfit. Ako kasi ito, favorite ko to, for example. This polo, this is actually from the men's aisle, but it's, you know, unisex, you know, these days. So I get to don it. How about you guys?
So both on versatile and this
Same time.
We have the same label. I like this style.
Same taste. I love it. Okay.
Yung suot ko po, yung suot ko po ngayon is very smart casual lang po. I really love smart casual fit po. That's why marami ako na-experience na mabuti doon sa Pen Shop.
I love it.
So I'm so very different po from the team ngayon, pero I love po yung mga jackets po.
Very preppy ko today.
Yes,
I love it.
very
preppy. Yun ba talaga yung personality mo?
Siguro, yes po.
Oh, okay. Reflection.
No, but I was supposed to wear like that also, but he stole it.
Inagawan mo. You stole it! Okay, so what is your favorite piece?
Probably that one also.
This one also, but I must say what you're wearing now is also, it suits you very well.
Yes, thank you. But it's from a older collection that released last month ago, a few months ago.
Bagay pa rin, so
Yes,
Full Speed Ahead.
Okay. Since I really like sports, ito po talaga pinili.
What's your sport?
I play like basketball.
Oh, I love it. Okay, thank you.
Mine is very chill lang. I think bagay ito sa akin, suits me kasi I'm a very chill person. So, kaya ito na lang siya.
Oh, very chill now.
Ako po siguro right sa yung jacket mo na sinusuot ko ni Lucas na dapat susutin ko rin po pero kagawa niya.
Nag-aagawan. See, that's how amazing kasi the collection is, di ba? You guys can definitely mix and match. And I must say, grabe yung mga dance moves you earlier, but even wearing the Pen Shop clothes, it was still comfortable, right?
Very comfortable.
I love it. Thank you, boys. We will see more of you guys soon. Again, guys, let's all give Cloud7 a huge round of applause.
Thank you po. Before we leave the stage, we'd like to say thank you so much to Pen Shop for having us here and to Sparkle GMA Center for letting us perform here. Thank you so much po.
You guys are amazing. Thank you so much.
456, we are Cloud7. Salamat po!